Okay, Salwa. So today we will look at this word should. Normally people use it for recommendation or strong suggestions. So let's go. You use it when you need to do something or when it's good to do something, you should do it. Yeah, when you need to do something, you should do it. When it's good to do something, you should do it. This is what it means. So let's go. I'll say the first sentence and you will say the second one, okay? So you need to sleep enough every day.
You should sleep enough every day.
Very good. You need to eat healthy food.
You should eat healthy food.
Very good. You need to drink enough water every day.
You should drink enough water every day.
Very good. You need to study every day.
You should study every day.
Very good. You need to keep yourself clean.
You should keep yourself clean.
Very good. You need to have a shower.
You should have a shower.
Very good. You need to do your homework.
You should do your homework.
Very good. You need to help your parents.
You should help your parents.
Very good. You need to tidy up your bed.
You should tidy up your bed.
Very good. You need to wash your clothes.
You should wash your clothes.
Very good. You need to see your doctor.
You should see your doctor.
Very good. You need to honor your parents.
You should honor your parents.
Very good. You need to eat halal food,
You should eat halal food.
meaning Islamically permissible food. So
Yes.
you need to earn halal money.
You should earn halal money.
Again, Islamically permissible money. So you need to speak the truth.
You should speak the truth.
Okay. You need to love your family first.
You should love your family first.
Yeah, your family first, not anyone else. First your
Yes.
family and then someone else. You need to prioritize Allah over everyone.
You should prioritize Allah over everyone.
Very good. So far, we've looked at the examples of when you need to do something. Now let's look at the examples of when it's good to do something or even good for you to do something. So I'm going to say the first bit and you will repeat the second bit. It's good for you to help others.
You should help others.
Very good. It's good for you to study.
You should study.
Good. It's good for you to wake up early.
You should wake up early.
Very good. It's good for you to go to bed early.
You should go to bed early.
Very good. It's good for you to do some exercise.
You should do some exercise.
It's good for you to make truthful friends.
You should make truthful friends.
Good. Those who don't lie, they speak the truth. They always speak the truth. It's good for you. It's good to brush your teeth before sleeping.
You should brush your teeth before sleeping.
Good. It's good to eat some eggs every day.
You should eat some eggs every day.
Very good. It's good to eat some fruit every day.
You should eat some fruit every day.
Very good. It's good to eat fish. It's good to eat fish for your health.
You should eat some fish for your health.
Good. It's good to eat some vegetables.
You should eat some vegetables.
Very good. Let's do some questions and answers. Let me make it a little bit big so it can be seen better. Here you go. Should you sleep enough every day?
Yes, I should sleep enough every day.
Very good. Should you eat halal food?
Yes, I eat halal food.
Oh, sorry, it should be I should.
I should eat halal food.
Very good. Should you do your homework?
Yes, I should do my homework.
Very good. Should you wake up early?
Yes, I should wake up early.
Good. And should you drink too much water?
No, I shouldn't drink too much water.
Too much water is when you drink more than it is necessary. Okay.
Yes.
Should you make bad friends?
No, I shouldn't make bad friends.
Yeah. Should you go to bed late?
No, I shouldn't go to bed late.
Very good. Should you listen to others instead of your parents?
No, I shouldn't listen to others instead of instead of my parents.
Yeah, let me repeat the question. Should you listen to others instead of your parents?
No, I shouldn't listen to others instead of my parents.
So your parents tell you to do something, someone else tells you to do something. You shouldn't listen to that someone else. You will listen to your parents first. Yeah, when
Yes.
you have a chance, you will always listen to your parents. Okay. Should you waste food?
No, I shouldn't waste food.
Very good. And with this, we will finish today's session of how to use the word should in all kinds of situations. Thank you.